Good morning. Today we will discuss about the cybercrime report. So in this, we will discuss how to report a complaint regarding cybercrime, steps of reporting a complaint, steps of reporting online and social media related complaint, steps of reporting online financial fraud. So how to report the cybercrime? A complaint can be made to cyber police or cyber investigation department either offline, online or by cyber calling helpline number, that is 155260. A complaint helpline number is 155260. Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has set a national cybercrime reporting portal, that is www.cybercrime.government.in, to deal with all kinds of cybercrime. So how to report a complaint? So firstly you have to select this link, or you have to search this link in your URL. Type cybercrime.government.in, file a complaints, select categories, subcategories. Then you have to accept the TNC. Then you have to registration, then login screen. Then you have to click a submit button. Then complain your means you have to report your complaint. Then firstly, the section A contain incidents detail, section B contains suspect details, section C contain complaint details, and section D contains the preview and submit, and then finally the submit button. Then how to report a complaint? So step 1, you have to type the URL, that is www.cybercrime.government.in in the web browser. The next you have to click on file a complaint. Then step 3, read the message carefully in the window and check on I accept checkbox. Means this message contain the information you have provided on this form is correct or not, or means the acknowledgement form that provides false information could make you liable to penal actions under Indian law. So after reading all the message carefully, then you have to click the I accept button. The next fourth step, login for reporting a complaint. Means you are required to fill the following details, which is mandatory to log in into the portal to report your complaint. Firstly, you have to enter your name in the username field. Means this is mandatory. This is compulsory. Means enter your mobile number. This is also mandatory. Then while you are adding your mobile number, you can get the OTP. So while getting the OTP, you have to enter the OTP, and this is also mandatory. Then after enter the OTP, the security answer for the authentication the field provided, then click the button submit. Then step 5, select category and subcategory of the complaints. So under this you can select the category of incidents, means complaint. Then you can select the subcategory of the complaints. Then click the save and next button. Step 6, provide suspect details. Okay, so here you can give the name of suspect ID if you have, and you have to click the save and next button. Next you have to provide the complaint details, means the person or the one who complains the file the complaints. Then here you can give the name, mobile number, gender, date of birth, her father, his or her father, mother, spouse name, relationship with the victim or itself, it can be a patient itself or victim itself, then email ID. The next one is button click. Then after submitting, you have to check the preview. Then this page includes the preview and submit. So after submitting all the details, you have to just overview or just see all the things whether it is correct or not. If you find then you want to reset anything, you just click reset. And if you want to edit something, you can you can click reset. Or if you are agree with all the things, you can just click I agree button and click confirm and submit button to submit the complaint. Then you can also download the PDF. Then next is report online and social media related crime. So all the procedures is same. You can follow all the procedures. Then just log in and same procedure. Then after login, under the incidents detail, you can select the category and then next select the subcategory. Cyberbullying. To report a complaint under this subcategory, you may keep following information ready before registering your complaints. So if you have received cyberbullying stalking related SMS, take screenshots or snapshots of some SMS showing the content for upload as evidence, means as a proof. For, provided the details of date and time which when such SMS have been received for filling in the incident's description field. If you have received cyberbullying stalking related emails, save some emails as PDF files or keep scan of some email printed to upload it as evidence. If emails have attached, then keep attachment ready for upload as evidence. If you are being stalked, bullied on messenger such as WhatsApp, Hike, etc., so just take screenshot of some chat showing the sender's number as well as content for upload as evidence. If you are being bullied, stalked on social media platforms, forums, blogs such as YouTube, Facebook, etc., so just note down the URL, web address where such content is seen. Save the page showing abusive content or screenshot as a file for uploading as evidence. The next you have to complaint reporting. So first you have to select the category of the complaint, then select the subcategory of the complaint, select approximate date and time of incidents if you remember, then select the where did the incidents occur, then upload evidence. To proceed with next stage of complaints reporting, same follow the previous one. Next, report online financial fraud. So also for this, you can select the category of complaint, write online financial fraud, and subcategory of complaints you can also select. Means which kind of fraud it is, business fraud or what. The next, users should have the following details like they have their bank statement from the concerned bank, make copies of SMS received related to the transactions, copy of your ID proof and address proof as shown in the bank records, provide the details as required for complaint, reporting and the incidents detail. Then select the category of complaint from the drop down, this like online financial fraud. Select the subcategory of complaint like business fraud. Okay, so file a complaint and submit the complaint. Thank you.